Hey everyone, if you need to edit multiple images at once instead of working on them one by one, Pixlr Batch Editor can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pixlr Batch Editor from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Batch Editor tool if it's available in your version of Pixlr. Next, upload all the images you want to edit. You can usually select multiple files from your device at the same time, which makes the process much faster than editing each image individually. For the best results, keep backup copies of your original images before performing large batch edits. This allows you to restore the originals if needed. Batch editing is especially useful for photographers, content creators, online sellers, and anyone who regularly works with large collections of images. And that's how to use Pixlr Batch Editor in 2026. It's a simple and efficient way to edit multiple images at once and save hours of manual work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.